chubby. No, but Dad, I need to tell you something. Whamshell was not here that time because the guy said they didn't have him here. They didn't have him here. Stubby Smash. They didn't have him here. They said next week they said they had Whamshell here, but I bet they did. But still, Skylander, it's the game. What? Rocco. Ah, great. That's because the Rocky Girl. There's something wrong with my program. Huh? Dad, they don't have a Skylander. What's under here? Oh my God, it's these ones.
¿Cuál es el tuyo? ¿Cuál es el tuyo? ¿Cuál es?
I'm about to get this guy.
¿Viste? No lo tiene. Ahora sí.
¿Qué hacemos?
Tenemos que ir a otro.
Sí. Entonces, ¿qué? What do we do?
I don't know.
Walmart?
Well, did you see? Well, I needed. Wait, what are you doing?
Nothing.
You're videoing.
No, I'm not.
Okay, you're videoing. Okay, so Daddy, I need to tell Mom something when you're
What?
videoing.
What?
Mom, guess what we found, Mom? We found.
She's not gonna see this video.
Well, guess what? I'm doing free play. What if we ask them if they have Rhino here?
Good idea. Let's ask.